Today I'm going to tell you about the drilling rig UGB-133. And you will ask me, again UGB? I have already told you about the drilling rigs UGB-587 and UGB-996 in our previous videos. Links are in the description. Well, today it's different. This is a little brother of a drilling rig UGB-587, mounted on off-road chassis set for Next. And this drilling rig is produced at the Geomash Vladimir factory, where we are now. The drilling rig is used for geotechnical investigation and construction. For not so deep water boreholes, the maximum drilling depth is 100 meters, but of course it depends on geological conditions and the drilling technology which is applied. Despite the small size of a drilling rig, the mast can hold up to 3 tons in drilling tools. Well, it doesn't sound much compared to other drilling rigs, such as UGB-587, the link is still in the description, but it's the most reliable and effective solution for the drilling rigs of UGB-133 class. And by the way, the feed stroke is 2.2 meters, which allows us to use drill tools up to 2 meters in length. And about the rotary head. It's hydraulic with smooth control of the rotation frequency. The maximum torque is 3,500 newtons per meter. The maximum rotation frequency is 700 rotations per minute. The feed force up is 3 tons, the feed force down is 2 tons. At the top of the mast, the crown block of the winch is located. The load capacity of the winch is 3 tons. On the drilling rigs of the UGB family, the chain feed is applied. This is the most reliable solution for rotary head feed in the drilling business. On this drilling rig, the damping system is installed. This of course gives extra support and of course stability during drilling. Why do our clients choose UGB-133? For its rotary head. Well, it has a very good rotary head, but that's not the most important thing. Maybe for its engine. Well, it has a powerful engine, but this is also not so important. The most important thing is its compact size. It is very easy to maneuver around high-density city areas. The frame of a drilling rig is big enough to mount different types of mud pumps and compressors. By the way, do you remember I told you about the static sounding module SZGU? This also could be mounted onto the frame of a drilling rig right here. Under this metallic box, this compact and beautiful control panel is located. All the manipulations of a drilling rig are controlled from here. So, I told you about the drilling rig UGB-133. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time.